Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Overlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. So, hang on a second. Right, go and sit down, quick. Go and sit down, quickly. Oh, shit, terrible. Okay, so we are here today with a little video. This is a Vileda turbo mop. Now, Steve, you don't think this is funny. This is not a patronising how to mop your floor. This is basically just a video on this mop and bucket. Now this is an old one, as you can see. It has got tape on it, it's faded. I do replace the heads on it. This one isn't that old, to be honest. The bucket is looking a little bit worse for wear. It's still working fine, but it is a little bit worse for wear. So on my Amazon wish list, I put one of these on there, which is the more updated version of it. And Mark Leslie, thank you very much, Mark. I'm just checking because I've got a new app on the camera and I can see it in my Apple Watch. So I'm just checking to see I'm in frame. Yes, I am. And he sent me this lovingly from the Amazon wish list. And I'm going to unbox it right now because this one, it's on its last legs. That's all I can say. So let me get a scissors. Now you would have seen this before in the summer when we had new carpet upstairs in the bedroom. I used it to mop the floor before the new underlaying carpet went down. And I really like it. The first one I bought a number of years ago was the Hurricane Spin Mop, and it was very, very good, but it didn't last very long at all. It was not very well built and it didn't last more than a couple of months. Then I bought another spin mop and the same thing happened, and I was like, there's got to be a better quality one out there, and it's this one, it's this Vileda. And I must have bought about, at least 10 or 12 different heads on it, and the mop and the bucket is still working fine. But like I said, it is a bit worse for wear. It's starting to show its age, but that's not bad. It gets used all the time, and yeah, it's just lasted really well. So anyway, so they've made some design changes to this one that I can see from the box. So I'm going to take it out of the box. There's the handle and the handle topper. I'm just going to put the box to one side. Now, as you can see very clearly from first off, the design differences. The things I found negative with this was the handle, because when you have water in it, this can, as you can see, is top heavy, and even with the water in it, it doesn't make it any more central. So the biggest change that they've made is putting the handle in the middle, so it's still heavier on one side, but you can compensate that by carrying it, and that's the spin area. That looks a bit smaller. There is a mop head and this is the handle, and this is an extendable handle. Is that it? Oh no, it comes out again, that's good. Right, we'll tighten it up. In here we have the little twisty thing at the top. Mine has broken off. So this should there we go. I did do that right, didn't I? Click. Oh, okay, don't. I think I've done it wrong. Yeah, this is a screw one. I don't understand that. Hang on, I can't even put a mop together. What am I doing wrong? Oh God. Got it on the wrong end. What an idiot. This is the top end. There we go. And that's supposed to be loose. It's supposed to be really loose for you to hold on to it, and then it just spins around, but okay, anyway. Blah blah blah. This is the base. Let's screw this in. Yep, that's the same. So let's screw in that. Then the floor head. You can do this on the floor. Doesn't matter which way it goes on. And there we go. We have got it together. Now the next thing I need to do, there is the other one in here, the Max Fill line. It was a piece of paper. It has pretty much stuck on, but it is literally about to come off. Whereas this one has got the Max line actually there on the handle. This is easier because you're able to pour it out. And there's something else I've noticed as well, which is really good, is this holder. Because as you can see, you've got to try and balance it around and it falls out. Whereas this one's got a little holder on the clip. So they've definitely made some improvements to it. So let's give it a go. Right, okay, let me get it filled up with water and some flash, and let's give it a go. Okay, so we got it filled up with some hot water and some flash. Let's just smush this around. Very easy, pop it in. I do a little one just to, now that's come off, but you can just stand on it to clip it on. Washy, 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 washy. Just a quick demo for you guys. I do use my Bissell Crosswave a lot, as you guys know, but if it's something a bit more untoward, like if you have cats and dogs, then you'll know what I mean. Poop stains after you pick it up, or wee, or something like that. You don't really want to be using your Bissell Crosswave for that. I just use the mop and bucket. So that's pretty much washed. Give it a quick rinse. And then just loosen your handle on the grip. And that comes out pretty much dry. I do like this. It's nice and easy, and the features on it, the new features they've done on it, the changes, I like that a lot. Definitely, definitely, definitely. And the floor pretty much comes out dry. Just a few minutes, and that will be dry. And then I do like that. I like having that clipped onto there. That makes it so much easier. Really good. Excellent, I like it. Okay, so there we go. Not a long video today, just a quick one on this Vileda mop. The other one I can renegade to the garage and use for other stuff, but this is the one I'll use inside now more often, because I do like using it in between using the Bissell Crosswave. There we go. So there we go. Done. Finished. Highly recommended, and I hope you enjoyed. So please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Nice quick one from me today, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!